Welcome everyone. Today we are here to discuss how you can carry on your college education during the lockdown period and also after it. So we are here today to give you a solution to all your educational requirements for carrying on your education during lockdown, your college educations during lockdown. So we have a single app which will provide solution to all your requirements. May that be taking online classes or providing content or taking quizzes and assignments. You name it, we have it. So the very first is having an organized timetable. As most of you would be taking online classes with different platforms like Zoom, Meet or Teams. So it's a everyday task for the lecturers to share the links with the students, and then the students have to join in. So we have an organized timetable where the students will be able to see which lectures they have today, by which lecturer or which professor, and they can just click on join class and redirect them to Zoom, Meet or Teams, whichever platform currently the college or educational institute is using. So it is much more organized, and it also gives them a feel of having lectures every day. Now, online courses. As all of you are teaching online, it's very hard for the lecturers to share reference materials, reference books, or to share any other reference content because the reference materials are long, lengthy. And so we have online courses where you can create courses for all your subjects, all your branches, may that be mechanical, civil or computers. And it's a much more organized and easy way for the students to go through the curriculum. So if they are going to prepare for any particular tests or even their semester exams, they have the access to the content throughout what was taught throughout the semester. Now lessons. Now in those courses, the lecturers can create lessons wherein they can share the reference materials or PDFs, Word files, PPTs, pictures, or even their own teaching videos with the students. And it's there in an organized format, so the students can go through them one by one. For example, over here we can see a mechanical engineering study material and operating system study material given by the lecturer. Similarly, now lecturers would be able to take day-to-day basis quizzes on whichever lectures they want to take on. And also the students will receive instant results so that they'll know where they went wrong. Also the lecturers also have an option of giving review option to the students. No, assignments. Now the biggest thing in a college life is giving assignments, because every course, whichever batch that they might be in, they would definitely have a weekly or monthly assignment to do. And given the current conditions, it's very hard for the faculty to go through the assignments. So in here, the students can see the assignments, they can see the tests, and they can give answers to it, and the faculty can correct it, evaluate it, and give the result back to the student. So they are in constant sync with each other. Apart from our learning management system and our online timetable, we do have many other features like collecting online fees, doing online lecture-wise attendance, then detailed reports of the progress of the students, detailed reports of the quizzes, their attendance, everything. We also have many other modules that I am sure you would like to take a look at. So in case you do want a training session or a demo training session for your college, just drop us a mail at support@prisms.in. Thank you.